Rain. Gentle, life-giving rain. It nourishes our forests and fills our lakes. But sometimes rain hides a threat. This is acid rain, and it poses a serious danger to our environment. Acid rain forms when harmful pollutants mix with water vapor in the atmosphere. These pollutants, mainly sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, come from human activities. Power plants, factories and cars are the main culprits. Imagine a delicate balance. Pure rainwater is naturally slightly acidic. However, acid rain is far more acidic. This acidity disrupts ecosystems and harms plants and animals. Acid rain is a silent storm, but its effects are far-reaching and devastating.
The primary cause of acid rain is our reliance on fossil fuels. Burning coal, oil, and gas releases harmful gases into the atmosphere. These gases, including sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, are the building blocks of acid rain. When these gases mix with water, oxygen, and other substances, they transform into sulfuric and nitric acids. These acids then fall to the earth as acid rain, snow, fog, or even dry particles. The problem is not confined to industrialized areas. Winds can carry these pollutants far and wide. This means that even pristine environments, far from the source of pollution, can be affected by acid rain.
New Hampshire's lakes, once pristine and teeming with life, are under threat from acid rain. The state's iconic beauty is fading as the acidity of the water rises. This has devastating consequences for aquatic life. Fish, especially young fish, are particularly vulnerable to acidic water. Acid rain disrupts their ability to regulate salt and water balance, leading to death. As fish populations decline, the entire food web is affected. The impact extends beyond fish. Acid rain harms amphibians, insects, and even the microscopic organisms that form the base of the food chain. It is a silent killer, slowly suffocating life in our lakes.
Section 4. Granite's weakness. New Hampshire's geology makes its lakes particularly vulnerable to acid rain. The state's granite bedrock has a low buffering capacity. This means it cannot effectively neutralize the acidity of the rain. Imagine a sponge. Some sponges, like limestone, can absorb and neutralize acids. Granite, however, is like a hard, impermeable surface. It cannot absorb the acid, allowing it to build up in the lakes. This geological vulnerability, combined with the influx of acid rain, creates a perfect storm for New Hampshire's lakes. The water becomes increasingly acidic, pushing the delicate balance of life towards a tipping point.
The New Hampshire Department of Environmental Services, or NHDS, is on the front lines of the fight against acid rain. They monitor the health of the state's lakes and track the progress of recovery efforts. Their findings offer a glimmer of hope.
Thanks to the Clean Air Act and other initiatives, sulfur dioxide emissions have decreased significantly. This has led to some improvements in the acidity of certain lakes. However, the battle is far from over. Nitrogen pollution remains a problem, and many lakes are still too acidic to support a healthy ecosystem. The recovery process is slow, and continued vigilance is crucial.
The fight against acid rain is a shared responsibility. We can all make a difference by reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and making cleaner choices. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to the solution. Conserving energy at home, choosing fuel-efficient vehicles, and supporting renewable energy sources are all steps in the right direction. By reducing our carbon footprint, we can help protect our lakes and the life they support. Remember, every drop of rain that falls on New Hampshire's mountains and forests eventually flows into its lakes. It is our duty to ensure that those drops are clean and life-giving, not acidic and destructive. The future of our lakes and the planet depends on it.